I'm Marty, I'm the release manager at Data Interchange, and I also look after our engineering graduate scheme. So we put the graduate scheme together so that we can bring on inexperienced people into the business and train them up all to the same level, because we don't know what kind of background and experience they've got, and bring them to the level where they can join our teams and then start to build their career with us at Data Interchange. And we can teach them the technical skills, but also the soft skills as well, to join a team, to learn teamwork and communication and things like that. The current graduate scheme is just completed, and the guys have done really well. They've spent 10 weeks building up their skills, and they've learnt a lot, and I can see how they've grown technically, but also their confidence, and they're at the point now where they're ready to join a team and start being productive with the rest of our development teams. Yeah, so for the grads, once they've joined our teams, they can learn from the people around them, a diverse group of developers and testers that they can learn from, and then that allows them to progress their career to junior developer, senior developer, or if they prefer, they can move into management, scrum master, product owner, those kinds of roles. So there's a lot of opportunity for people in this kind of career. Yeah, when the current graduates started, they were a very quiet bunch. I was repeatedly saying, just ask if you've got any questions, and silence. And is everything all right? And just silence. But after a couple of weeks, they kind of got over that, and they've obviously become quite good friends, and they find it much easier to be open. And that's when they start asking the questions, even the silly questions, which are sometimes really useful, and probably somebody else is thinking of the same thing. So they've started to build up their confidence, and that's why I think that part of the reason they're ready to join teams now and be in that slightly bigger team, and start to operate as part of that production development team. In 2018 we did our first graduate scheme, and Laura was part of that. She's moved through graduate developer, junior developer, and now she's a developer on our on-premise team. And she's one of the key people on that team now, and she's helping to bring other people on board and train them up. So in the 4 years she's been with us, she's really progressed really well and progressed her career well. Last year we had 3 graduate developers join us, and they've been with teams now for about 8 months. They're all now junior developers, they've all been promoted, and they're all doing really well. They're all becoming established in their teams, starting to learn our products, which is one of the big learning curves, is learning our products in depth. But they've got the support of the teams around them, and they're all starting to do really well in those teams, and I can see that continuing for many years.